perfectpicturelights.com. Today I want to talk to you about traditional picture lights. This is a traditional picture light. It's 14 inches wide and finished in gold. The same one up here, you can see perfectly lights up a 30-inch wide frame, and the detail of the frame is painted in gold, which actually adds a nice little resonance when you look at the finish of the light. This picture light takes two T10 bulbs, and you can use incandescent or LED bulbs. It has a 2.5-inch wide diameter shade. Traditional picture lights come in 10 finishes: gold, bronze, pewter, satin brass, satin nickel, polished brass, antique brass, weathered brass, and mahogany bronze. They are plug-in lamps with an 8-foot ivory cord and a high-low click switch. Shades can tilt about 20 degrees because they're connected with a universal pivot. Traditional lights are mounted with brackets that can be attached either to the wall or the back of the frame. Full-size traditional picture lights extend from 7 inches to 9 inches away from the wall with a minor adjustment. Shades range from small at 5 inches to as large as 42 inches wide, which would be wide enough for a 62-inch painting. For tiny artwork, there's a miniature version of this lamp, which we talk about in another video. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-792-4457 or go to perfectpicturelights.com.